Finally, mega hiring is announced. Gradius just announced the biggest off-campus drive, and VVDN is also announced. But if you see that registration deadline this is 11th January 2025. This is not the deadline. Basically, this hiring is 1 week ago posted, but they I don't know क्या कर दिया लोग ने, पता नहीं। यहाँ पे शैल की तरफ से बहुत बड़ी हायरिंग देखने मिल रही है, जो कि डायरेक्ट टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड दिस इज न्यू हायरिंग बिकॉज दे अपलोडेड 5 days ago. And if you want to apply, then please watch video till end. First of all, understand one thing. Go and apply for not apply, just go and watch this video. If you did not get the mail of AI interview, is this elimination round or not, exact AI interview question is also there. So urgent off campus already uploaded. Go and apply for these opportunities, link in the description box, and please go and watch Accenture video also. So first, Gradius company just announced we are hiring freshers, no code, low code developer. Fresher is eligible, 23, 24, 25 batch is eligible. BTech, CS, IT, ECE, electronic, all branches is eligible. You have to just click on this to read the JD. You can easily read क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी. 2-year bond is there, but 6 months of the duration of an internship. And if you see here that technical and then final round is there, that's it. उसके बाद तुम्हारे यहाँ पे जॉब लग जाएगी. 6 LP is the package. You can easily read that JD. So you have to fill this form, give personal details, and 23, 24, 25 only batches eligible, 22 also eligible. So if you see here, you have to click on, don't click on no, just click on beginners, and yes, click on face-to-face interview and click on no. Give your updated resume. What I told you that you have to first read the JD. There is multiple domains that enterprise skill plus IT domains. Put all those domain in resume and apply it as soon as possible. This is not normal hiring. This is great big opportunity for freshers, and this is urgent hiring. This is closing soon. Apply it as soon as possible. Now VVDN announced biggest hiring. BTech is eligible. 24, 25 batches eligible. All electrical, electronic branches is eligible. And if you see here, Ahmedabad location is there. Don't miss this opportunity to kick a start. Don't miss this opportunity. Basically, you have to just click on this link, and if you see at 11th January 2025 is written there, but they posted 1 week ago. तो यहाँ पे इनसे ही कुछ गलती हुई है, उसमें कोई टेंशन की नहीं है बात, इग्नोर करो. टेक्निकल असेसमेंट इज देयर, देन एवोल्यूशन, फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू, देन HR इंटरेक्शन. दैट्स इट. यू विल गेट द ऑफर लेटर आफ्टर दैट. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट 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 एंड कंप्लीट द असेसमेंट, कंप्लीट दिस एप्लीकेशन एज सून एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है. दिस इज ट्रेनी इंजीनियर रोल इन अहमदाबाद एंड 24, 25 बैचेज एलिजिबल. कंप्लीट द फॉर्म विद एक्यूरेट इन्फॉर्मेशन. वंस योर प्रोफाइल गेट शॉर्टलिस्ट, वी विल अपडेट एंड कनेक्ट ऑन द फर्दर प्रोसेस सून. नाउ व्हाट टू ऐड इन रेज्यूमे. बेसिकली ट्रेनी का रोल है, तो जो तुम्हारे को आता है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांचेस, फंडामेंटल, पुट दैट डोमेन इन रेज्यूमे. प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल्स, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट टू सी द शॉर्टलिस्टिंग मेल. देन apply it as soon as possible. Please first update your resume, then apply it. This is manufacturing electrical company. That's why I told you put fundamental, put projects, whatever you did. If you have did any internship, then you can easily apply. और यहाँ पे 1 month की भी internship है ना, तो भी ऐड कर देना रेज्यूमे में. वैसे इसमें 0 year का एक्सपीरियंस मांगा है, बट इफ यू हैव 1, 2, 3 month of internship, then you can easily apply. So SAIL just announced new hiring Bangalore, Mumbai, Taloja. 3 location opportunity. Even Gurgaon is also there. And 5 days ago they posted, if you see here, that this is direct test opportunity and 26 batches eligible. Just scroll down. To be eligible to the SAIL Pro, you are required to graduate prior to the first day at SAIL. ठीक है. BE, ME, MTech pursuing is eligible. 26 batches, 27 batches eligible. Less than 3 year of experience compulsory, and communication, और ये सब तो compulsory होता ही है. तो करना क्या है, just you have to put your domain in resume, and these are the multiple locations. ठीक है. May 2026 your internship, or we can say program begins. So you have to just update your resume and apply it as soon as possible. This is not normal hiring. This is a direct test opportunity for 26, 27 batches eligible. Put all enterprise skill plus और क्या ही करोगे, सिर्फ enterprise skill ही करो इसमें. बाकी ये रीड कर रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पे तुमको मिल जाएगा जो कुछ है. ठीक है. इनका मोटिव क्या है, किस तरीके की हायरिंग हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे यही लिखा है, what you bring means what you must know about these skills. ठीक है. ये सब चीजें आना चाहिए, तुम्हारे पास ये स्किल होना चाहिए, required skill है, and please apply it as soon as possible. Last but not the least, this is new hiring, digital design verification apprenticeship. Bangalore location is there. This is internship. If you scroll down, basically BTech in electrical branches is eligible. Fresh grads from the class of 24, 25 is eligible. Not currently enrolled in MTech. ठीक है. तो eligible or not employed in full time company, then you are eligible. Put all these domain in resume and plus enterprise skills. These are compulsory. तो जनवरी स्टार्ट फेब में तुम्हारे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी इन ऑफिस बेंगलोर। 1 ईयर ऑफ अप्रेंटिसशिप प्रोग्राम इज गोइंग ऑन विद द पेड अप्रेंटिसशिप। हर मंथ तुमको कुछ ना कुछ मिलने वाला है इसमें, तो प्लीज अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। मैंने ऑलरेडी तुमको इलेक्ट्रिकल की काफी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज बताई है। सो व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, जस्ट इफ यू सी शैल ओनली इज देयर वेयर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग इज नॉट देयर, ठीक है। बट इन दिस यू हैव टू अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे फॉर VVDN, you have to update your resume for Gradius, you have to update your resume. Please update your resume, otherwise यहाँ पे shortlisting नहीं होगी तो reject हो जाओगे। So please apply it as soon as possible. Please apply it as soon as possible and please go and apply for this Amazon and Wipro hiring which is direct interview is going on already told you, ठीक है। And Genpact, Superset hiring, Infosys, Rupik, EY, Mega hiring is going on. Go and apply for these opportunities. Link description box में हर चीज की नहीं मिलेगी। Go to video section and you can check out and you can easily check out which video you didn't watch yet. Go and click on that video and please watch video till end to understand each and everything, then apply for these opportunities in which you are eligible and if you are following criteria, then please go and apply it with updated resume. I already told you कि every video में मैं तुम्हें हर बार बताता हूँ कि कैसे अपडेट करना है रेज्यूमे, इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना है कंपलसरी। प्लीज अप्लाई फॉर ऑल दीज 4 ऑफ कैंपस मेगा हायरिंग। लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।